When it comes to managing your finances, there are countless apps available, but knowing what to look for before diving in can make all the difference. In this video, we'll cover the 12 things you need to know before choosing the Finance iPhone mobile app and how it stacks up against its competitors. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether this app is the right fit for you. First thing you need to know is its user interface. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, which is important for managing finances. Unlike some apps that can feel cluttered or overwhelming, this one offers a clean and streamlined experience. However, compared to other leading apps, it might take a little getting used to if you're accustomed to more robust features elsewhere. Next thing is the integration with your bank accounts. The Finance app offers seamless integration with most major banks, allowing you to track spending, balances, and transactions in real time. That said, certain competitors offer broader compatibility or quicker sync times, which may be something to consider if your bank isn't fully supported here. The third thing you should know is its budgeting tools. This app excels in providing easy-to-set-up budgets with categories that are customizable. If you've used apps like Mint or YNAB, you might find that this one is a bit simpler. It doesn't offer all the bells and whistles of some competitors, but it's perfect if you're looking for a no-frills way to keep your budget in check. The fourth thing is its expense tracking. The app's expense tracker is functional and accurate, but if you need more advanced features like automatic receipt scanning or expense categorization, other apps might do a better job. If you want something quick and simple, this app is solid, but more complex users might need something with additional features. The fifth thing to note is its savings and investment options. While the app allows you to set goals and track your savings, it lacks in-depth investment management tools, which is something apps like Personal Capital excel at. If you're looking for investment analysis or retirement planning tools, this might not be the best fit. The sixth thing is its security. The app uses standard bank-level encryption, which is a plus. However, unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer multi-factor authentication, which is becoming more common in top-tier finance apps. If security is a huge concern for you, this might be a limiting factor. Next thing is customer support. The app offers a basic support system through email and FAQs, but its customer service doesn't stack up to competitors that offer 24/7 support or live chat. If you ever need assistance, you might find the response time slower than expected. The eighth thing is its bill reminder feature. This app offers bill tracking and alerts, which can help you stay on top of your payments. But if you're used to apps like Prism, which offer automatic payments, you might find this feature a bit basic in comparison. The ninth thing to consider is the reporting features. This app does offer reports, but they are relatively simple. If you need more detailed financial analysis, you might find apps like Tiller or Pocket Guard more useful in this area. These apps allow for deeper dives into spending patterns and long-term trends. The 10th thing is its subscription model. This app has a free version with basic functionality, but if you want to unlock more advanced features, you'll need to opt for a premium subscription. While it's priced competitively, some alternatives provide more features in their free versions, so be sure to weigh the pros and cons. The 11th thing is the mobile experience. The app performs well on iPhones, offering a responsive and fast interface. However, unlike some of its competitors, it lacks a dedicated web platform, which could be a downside if you prefer accessing your financial info from multiple devices. Finally, the 12th thing to know is how it compares to other apps in terms of overall value. While the Finance iPhone mobile app is solid, it doesn't offer the same depth of features that some of its competitors provide, especially if you're looking for in-depth investment tracking or tax planning. However, it's still a great choice for basic finance management, and it's easy to see why many people find it useful. Overall, the Finance iPhone mobile app is a good option for those who want something simple and functional. But if you're after a more robust solution, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free, and see if it better suits your needs.